All right, good evening everyone, and happy Thursday. This is Kevin Robinson reporting live from just outside of Metro Detroit in Novi, Michigan, one of the Autodesk offices. And tonight I just want to walk you through a little bit about AU Vegas. It's coming up pretty quickly here. You can see just under 90 days till Autodesk University this year in Las Vegas. Of course, that's just one of many Autodesk universities that we have across the globe, but this is definitely the original and the one that this year that I'm fortunate enough to attend and speak at. So we're going to jump right in, take a look at some scheduling options you have. You can see the dates for AU this year. You can see all the different options, so jam-packed week, ton of classes, tons of great opportunities to network. And of course, the popular answer bar to get any of your questions you have about Autodesk products from tons and tons of experts. And of course, plenty of time for fun at the customer appreciation parties and plenty of the other receptions and meet and greets at the exhibit hall. But tonight, I just wanted to go through and make sure that you realize a couple of the class areas that are really interesting to me, and I have personal responsibility for with a bunch of other folks here at Autodesk. But the first one we'll dive into is going to be the Vault Professional classes. So we can go ahead and just click on Vault Professional here, and you will see that immediately we'll jump into the entire catalog of all of the classes that are available at AU this year. And then by clicking that early, I went to Vault Professional. If you don't find that button in the beginning, for those that are just going to be maybe new to AU this year and you haven't used our filtering tools, off to the left here you can filter by product and then let that whole catalog spin up accordingly. So you can see we have a total of 800 classes at AU, specifically to Vault Professional, or Vault Basic, or Vault Office, and even good old Vault Workgroup. Plug all those in together. You can see we have about 24 total classes for Vault this year. Tons of options. See what's new in this past release that came out this spring if you haven't taken a look yet. A very popular class that's actually already low on total seats available is this Future class here for enterprise priority customers. But then also a very, very popular class is the Crystal Ball class. So 23 seats left. The more people that sign up for that, the better, because then we can get a larger room. So make sure you consider going to that if you want to see a little bit more about what we're thinking about in the future for Vault. I'm going to go ahead and scale these back out. And instead, I'm going to switch over to another product that's really interesting and been growing quite a bit over the last couple of years at AU, and that is PLM 360, now called Fusion Lifecycle. If you happen to go to the PLM 360 filter, you may see that it doesn't show up the same way, so make sure you pick on Fusion Lifecycle. Here, but we have 14 classes this year for Fusion Lifecycle. So we have some of our product design folks, customer success managers like Brian Shannon, Tyler from technical marketing, more product managers, and even some additional folks covering a lot of different classes on Fusion Lifecycle this year. So please take a look at that and make sure you get your seats reserved early. But a new track this year that hasn't been previously available is Fusion Connect. So last year at Autodesk University, we announced that we had some IoT technology, specifically a product called C-Control. That product is now called Fusion Connect. It's part of our product innovation platform. And here you can see we have 7 classes this year, so not bad for a first year. But these 7 classes were really picked to help anyone that's an original equipment manufacturer, building plant, equipment company, anyone who's thinking about making a smart mechanical piece of equipment or product that wants to learn a lot more about IoT and how Autodesk wants to enable customers with the easiest and most attainable IoT platform. Definitely check out these classes. A lot of options for you. So go through and get some of those seats reserved. We hope to see you at Autodesk University this year in Las Vegas. And thanks again for your time, and we'll talk soon. Take care.